WhatsApp has just been updated with an interesting new feature that, since a few weeks ago. What you can do easily is play notes of audio notes before sending them. This new feature is available for both Android and iOS. So you can listen to audios before sending them on any phone updated to the latest version of WhatsApp. So we'll make sure we're going to send the message we'd really like. The change made by the application is only to add this option so you will continue sending audios abnormally. As the first option, you can swipe up and lock the microphone if you want to use this new feature. Here you will see a red box in which you can stop the audio. If you give it in stop, what you will have is the option to access its full playback. To hear it as many times as we want. Once we have the audio that we have already recorded and of which we are sure to send, we have nothing more to give to send. In case we don't like it, we have a trash can to delete the audio, although what we are deleting is not saved. A function quite simple, but it has been made to wait, that we can already enjoy on our phone if we update WhatsApp to the latest version.